I'm Mike Serig, the pastor of Lighthouse Church. We're in the midst of a teaching series called Revive, Rebuild, Repair. Last week we talked about revival as it comes in, starts, and begins with us. And that's how it was with the priest Ezra. He was telling the people as they revive that the reviving has to come within, and then it would go out with the nation itself. But today we're going to talk about what it means to rebuild. It says in Ezra chapter 3, that Ezra, as they laid the foundation of the new temple, the second temple as was going to be rebuilt, it said that the people stopped and they worshiped God. They blew the trumpets. They blew the horns. There was a great celebration. They sang out to God, for He is good and His love lasts forever. Man, what a moment that would have been for a nation. They all stopped and they worshiped God. You know, this week we're going to talk about what it means to be rebuilding within, not only as it was back in the time of Ezra, but also too as the rebuilding of our churches today. I believe that God is calling us back to one of the greatest revivals and the rebuilding of the house of the Lord, which that means a return. Today, I hope that you will take the time to come on Sunday as we look at Ezra, as we look at what it means to rebuilding the house of the Lord. You don't want to miss it. We'll see you on Sunday.